Welcome to today's paper reading. Today's paper is titled PersonaGym, Evaluating Persona Agents and LLMs. This paper was published on the AR14 preprint by Vinay Samuel and colleagues from Carnegie Mellon University and other institutions. The abstract discusses the capabilities of persona agents, which are large language model agents designed to act according to a specific persona. These agents have shown impressive abilities in providing contextual responses across various sectors such as education, healthcare, and entertainment. They enhance these sectors by aligning their responses to meet different user requirements. However, evaluating the performance of these agents is challenging due to the complexity of assessing how well they adhere to their assigned personas in free-form interactions across diverse environments. To address this, the authors introduce PersonaGym, the first dynamic evaluation framework, and PersonaScore, an automated human-aligned metric grounded in decision theory for comprehensive large-scale evaluation of persona agents. The evaluation of 6 open and closed-source large language models using a benchmark encompassing 200 personas and 10,000 questions reveals significant opportunities for advancement in persona agent capabilities. The findings indicate that increased model size and complexity do not necessarily lead to enhanced persona agent capabilities, highlighting the need for further algorithmic and architectural innovations. The applications of large language model, LLM, agents are rapidly diversifying, including customer service chatbots, code generation, and robotics. As a result, there is a growing need for LLM agents to align with different user specifications to enable highly personalized experiences. Persona agents, which are LLM agents assigned with a specific persona, have emerged as the community standard for personalized and customized user experiences. These agents can act according to their assigned persona, generating outputs that reflect the personality and experiences of the persona. To address the limitations in current evaluation methods, the authors propose PersonaGym, the first dynamic evaluation framework for persona agents. This framework assesses the capabilities of agents across multiple dimensions and environments relevant to the persona. It includes PersonaScore, an automatic metric designed to quantify the capabilities of persona agents in diverse environments. Figure 1 illustrates the contrast in responses to 2 questions between a general LLM, GPT 3.5, without a defined persona and the same LLM role-playing as a cowboy. The general LLM provides straightforward, factual answers without personalization. In contrast, the LLM role-playing as a cowboy delivers responses that are infused with cowboy-specific language and perspective, demonstrating adherence to the assigned persona. This comparison highlights the significant impact of persona assignment on the LLM's output, showcasing the potential for personalized and context-specific interactions. In the evaluation of persona agents, 3 main categories of tasks are defined based on decision theory. The first category is normative evaluation, which focuses on the expected action task. Here, an agent is placed in an environment and given a scenario to choose an action, which is then evaluated for optimality. The second category is prescriptive evaluation, which includes tasks like linguistic habits, persona consistency, and toxicity control. These tasks assess how well an agent adheres to expected linguistic habits, maintains persona consistency, and controls toxicity in responses. The third category is descriptive evaluation, which involves the action justification task. This task requires the agent to justify its actions in a given scenario, providing insights into its decision-making process. PersonaGym evaluates persona agents by dynamically selecting relevant environments from a pool of 150 diverse options based on the agent's persona description. For each selected environment, 10 task-specific questions are generated to assess the agent's ability to respond in a manner aligned with the persona. These questions are detailed in Appendix 8.2. The responses are then evaluated by 2 state-of-the-art LLM evaluator models using comprehensive rubrics that include task details, scoring criteria, and agent-specific examples. The final score for each task is the average of the scores from both evaluator models, aiming to reduce potential biases through detailed rubrics and ensemble methods. Figure 2 illustrates the process of selecting relevant environments and initializing the persona agent within these environments to evaluate in PersonaGym. The process begins with an LLM reasoner selecting relevant environments from a diverse pool of 150 options based on the description of the persona to be assigned to the agent. Once these environments are selected, the agent is initialized in these relevant environments and posed several questions meant to probe the agent to interact with its environment based on 5 evaluation tasks. These agent responses are then evaluated by 2 strong LLM evaluator models to produce the final overall persona score for the agent. In this study, the authors evaluated the proficiency of 6 large language models, LLMs, in acting as persona agents. These models include 3 open-source models, Llama 2-13b, Llama 2-70b, and Llama 3-8b, as well as 3 closed-source models, GPT 3.5, Claude 3 Haiku, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. The environment and task-specific questions were generated using GPT 4o, with 200 personas created for the evaluation. The main results show significant variability in model performance across different tasks, with linguistic habits emerging as the most challenging task for all models. Additionally, the study found that model size has a notable impact on performance, with Llama 2 showing improvement from 13b to 70b versions, and Llama 3 demonstrating strong performance with just 8b parameters. Table 1 presents the benchmarked results of 6 large language models, LLMs, on 200 persona descriptions, with each model answering 10 questions per task, totaling 10,000 questions. The evaluation includes 5 tasks designed to assess persona agents based on decision theory. The table highlights the best-performing model for each task and includes standard deviations to show the spread of scores. The final row indicates the variance in average scores across all models for each task, revealing significant variability in model performance. Table 2 presents the average correlation scores between GPT 3.5, Llama 2, 13b, and Llama 2, 70b, models and human evaluation scores for 100 randomly sampled personas. The scores are measured using Spearman, Rowe, and Kendall-Tao metrics. The results indicate that persona score is highly correlated with human judgment, validating the effectiveness of the proposed framework for evaluating LLM persona agents. The highest Spearman correlation score was 84.5% for linguistic habits using Llama 2-70b, while the average Spearman correlation across the 3 models was 76.1%. These findings support the alignment of PersonaGym with human judgment in assessing persona agents. The qualitative analysis of PersonaGym highlights several key aspects. Firstly, the framework employs a diverse range of environments and persona attributes, which cover both everyday and specialized contexts. This diversity enables a thorough evaluation of language models' role-playing capabilities. Secondly, there is strong alignment between the PersonaGym framework and human evaluations, particularly with the Llama 2-13b model, which received high scores due to its tailored responses. However, there are instances of discrepancy between PersonaGym and human evaluators, such as in the case of a 22-year-old writer from London, where the model responses failed to reflect the persona's background accurately. These findings suggest areas for improvement in PersonaGym to better align with human judgment. Figure 3 showcases the distribution of static environments and attributes in PersonaGym. The top section illustrates the diversity of environments, including social events, recreational activities, and various gatherings. The bottom section highlights the distribution of persona attributes, emphasizing professional roles, locations, and personal interests. This comprehensive visualization demonstrates the wide spectrum of personas used in experimentation, providing a robust basis for assessing persona agents. Figure 4 illustrates the significant resistance of Claude 3 Haiku to roleplay requests among various LLMs. The data shows that Claude 3 Haiku's refusal rate is approximately 8.5 times higher than that of the model with the second highest refusal rate, Llama 3-8b, and about 2.6 times greater than the combined refusal rates of all other benchmarked models. Claude 3 Haiku frequently justifies its refusals by citing its lack of personal experience as an AI assistant, indicating a strong emphasis on safety measures to prevent potentially harmful or toxic responses. In the realm of large language models, LLMs, recent research has delved into the role-playing capabilities of these models. Li et al., 2023, developed an algorithm to enhance LLM's ability to portray anime characters, focusing on knowledge, background, personality, and linguistic habits. Zhou et al., 2024, investigated the capacity of LLMs to mimic persona-based decision-making using persona-based memory retrieval. Additionally, Zhou et al., 2023, utilized LLMs role-playing as domain experts to generate high-quality QA data for model training. The evaluation of LLMs' role-play abilities is still an emerging field. Wang et al., 2023, introduced RoleBench, an instruction tuning dataset designed to advance LLM role-playing research. Wang et al., 2024, developed InCharacter, a framework for assessing character fidelity using psychological scales. Tu et al., 2024, established Character Eval, a Chinese role-playing evaluation benchmark derived from novels and scripts. Furthermore, Shin et al., 2023, created RoleEval, a bilingual evaluation benchmark featuring personas based on influential individuals and fictional characters. In this study, we introduced PersonaGym, a framework designed to dynamically evaluate persona agents across multiple tasks. Unlike traditional methods, PersonaGym uses dynamically generated persona-specific questions and evaluates agents on 5 distinct tasks grounded in decision theory. We also proposed Persona Score, a metric to quantify an LLM's role-playing proficiency. Our benchmark study of 6 LLMs across 200 personas showed that model size does not directly correlate with enhanced persona agent capabilities. We highlighted discrepancies in the improvement of persona agents' abilities among state-of-the-art models compared to less capable models, emphasizing the need for innovations in this domain. Additionally, we acknowledge the potential for our framework to generate harmful responses, particularly in the toxicity control task, and we reject any misuse of our research for malicious intent. Thank you for watching.